Stunning, sophisticated, and contemporary, this is downtown living at its best. I'm Jennifer Kalish with Douglas Element. Welcome to this fabulous Tribeca loft. Perched on a historic cobblestone street in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in town, this full-floor, south-facing apartment has 4 bedrooms and close to 3,000 square feet of boutique living. Let's have a look. Like a classic loft, you step right off the elevator into your private foyer. A stylish and practical entry, this home was meticulously reimagined by designer Shawn Henderson, and this is just a glimpse of what's to come. And come on into this grand entertaining space. Here you can see the meticulous design aesthetic of the home and see it bathed in all-day sunlight through this wall of windows with alternating channel vision glass. Taking the views of Leonard Street and the beautiful architecture all around, no detail has been spared. From the wide plank floors to the custom clean-burning fireplace with steel facade that is the focal point of this relaxing living room. Enjoy a cocktail with friends before heading into the chef's kitchen. Finished in Italian white lacquer with stained oak cabinetry. This kitchen is well appointed with top-end appliances, and for you wine enthusiasts, it even has 2 wine refrigerators. Plenty of counter space may entice you to think twice before heading out to the fabulous neighborhood restaurants. But if you do stay in, this adjoining dining room is large enough for a dinner party or cozy enough for taco night. Right off the great room, through this custom steel door, is this awesome soundproof den where you could watch the game, read, or even take a nap. Down this gallery hall is an in-home gym that also doubles as a bedroom. Or you could rock out in the oversized music room that doubles as a library. This private primary suite is as relaxing as the great room is exciting. It has a generous bedroom, quaint balcony, 5-fixture bath, and a ginormous walk-in closet. It's a perfect place to end any day. Thank you so much for taking the time to tour with me this exceptional downtown loft that's both stylish and comfortable. Give me a call if you want to make Tribeca your home.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.